Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must stop and confirm legality first. Modifying a Glock with a switch can trigger serious criminal charges. Once you verify laws, make sure to get written guidance from a licensed gunsmith or legal counsel. This protects you from felony exposure, civil liability, and safety violations. If unsure, refrain entirely and seek supervised training. Remember, legal compliance is the first practical step. Do not attempt mechanical changes without proper authorization and professional oversight. You should focus on safe handling and lawful alternatives rather than risky modifications. Begin by ensuring the firearm is unloaded, magazine removed, and chamber visually inspected. Once done, store it safely. Make sure to explore authorized training courses to achieve desired skills legally and to consider approved accessories that meet regulations. If mechanical work is lawful and necessary, hire a licensed gunsmith who documents the work. This approach maintains safety, preserves your rights, and prevents unintended legal exposure. If you encounter legal or mechanical problems, act carefully. If authorities contact you, politely decline to answer questions without an attorney present. If a device or modification malfunctions, stop using the firearm and seek a qualified gunsmith. Attempting DIY repairs increases danger and legal risk. Once done, gather and preserve any purchase receipts, training certificates, and professional evaluations to document compliance. This single troubleshooting tip, get professional legal or technical help, prevents escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.